Now, how do you invest the right way? Well, there are many components to this, but the first part is to be a buy and hold investor. When you're investing in something, let's take physical gold or a house as an example, you're not buying the gold today hoping that the price goes up next month so that you can immediately sell it. Same thing with real estate. You're not buying a house today hoping that the house price goes up next year so that you can sell it. You understand that maybe the gold price and house price can go down in the upcoming month or year, but it's okay because you're going to hold on to the physical gold or the house for a long period of time until it grows a lot in value and you're ready to sell it. When you buy something and immediately look to sell it, like what I just described with physical gold and a house, that's called trading. You're hoping that the price goes up in the short run so you can make money fast. But honestly, you never know what's going to happen tomorrow, so that's very risky. Like the housing market has gone up a lot in prices in certain years, but has also gone down a lot in certain years. No one can predict it perfectly. But instead, if you buy a house and hold on to it, that's buy and hold investing. It's way less risky. You hold on to the house for a long period of time. Eventually, it'll go up in price and you'll make a profit. The same concept applies to the stock market. Just because stocks can be easily bought with a button on your phone, that doesn't mean you start trading. You never know what the price of the stock will be tomorrow, next week, or next month. So if you instead buy and hold the stocks for a long period of time, it's way less risky. So our investing strategy is going to be buy and hold investing. We're going to buy stocks and hold on to them for decades. Yes, decades, because that's how long it takes for investments to grow a lot in value. You will not be trading in any way, shape, or form. If you heard the term day trading before, we're not going to be day trading either. Day trading is just trading, but you're doing it in a very short timeline, like minutes, hours, or days, hoping to make a profit really quickly. I can promise you, for most people, that is not profitable, and we just want to focus on the least risky investment strategy, which is buy and hold investing.